Peregrine falcon. The peregrine falcon, Falco peregrinus, is renowned for its incredible speed and impressive hunting skills. Here are some interesting facts about this remarkable bird. Fastest animal on Earth. Peregrine falcons can reach speeds of over 240 miles per hour, 386 kilometers per hour during their characteristic hunting stoop, high-speed dive, making them the fastest animals in the world. Wide distribution. Peregrine falcons are found on every continent except Antarctica. They inhabit diverse environments, including urban areas, coastal regions, mountains, and deserts. Size and appearance. Adults typically have blue-gray wings, a dark back, and a white face with a distinctive black tear stripe pattern. They are medium-sized raptors, with females being significantly larger than males. Diet. Their diet mainly consists of birds, which they catch in midair using their remarkable speed and agility. Common prey includes pigeons, ducks, and songbirds. Breeding and nesting. Peregrine falcons typically nest on high ledges or cliffs, including skyscrapers in urban areas. They lay 2 to 4 eggs, and both parents take turns incubating them. Conservation success. Peregrine falcons faced a severe decline in the mid-20th century due to pesticide poisoning, especially DDT. Conservation efforts, including the ban on DDT and captive breeding programs, have helped their populations recover significantly. Long migration. Some peregrine falcons undertake long migrations, traveling thousands of miles between their breeding and wintering grounds. However, some populations, especially those in urban areas, are non-migratory.